Yeah, still Tuesday, 10th of June. A lot of wind. You might hear me, you might not. Pretty strong thunderstorms blowing in. Weatherman actually got it right this time. Just now starting to sprinkle rain, but there's a lot of thunder and lightning off in the distance. Here's my freshly trimmed bushes. Been rolling cigs and watching birds. Had a grackle come by today. Can't get those things to come to my house. I hardly ever see them coming down here in my little building. One that came was probably lost. Dropped my camera. Cooled off a lot. Just mowed the grass Sunday. I could mow it again today. With all the rain we get. Plus I fertilized it. So it grows real good. Yeah, we're going to have probably pretty strong afternoon thunderstorms. Waiting for them to get here. Other than that, just a very pleasant, lazy day. So, that's all for this one. Thank you.